Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the new Skoda Slavia, the rapid replacement. So yeah, it's basically a new platform by the VW Group, the MQB AOIN platform, A0IN platform. So basically it's the same. So from the front, as you can see, this is not like the top of the line style variant. This is the Ambition variant, so mid variant. So this is a 1 liter TSI automatic with a torque converter gearbox. So from the front, as you can see, it's much wider. It gets the typical Skoda grille with the chrome lining and the black dot Skoda logo as well. So as you can see from the front, you also get a towing hook there, and here if you see, chrome is here with the fog light and LED DRL with an halogen tail light. So let me just open it once. Yeah, so even the indicator is a bulb. So coming to the side, the tire size is 205 55 R16s. So yeah, it's 10 mm bigger than the Verna and 20 mm bigger than the Honda City. Whereas both of them are 16s, but this is 205 55. So yeah, and you get a disc brake as well. So big disc brake at the front, Skoda badging at the side, turn indicators on the ORVM, body color, door handles and ORVMs, as well as the chrome, like it's part chrome and part body colored, and you get request sensor as well. So from the side, yeah, this car is long. It's almost as long as the Honda City. Honda City stands for 4549 mm. This is 4541 mm, so 8 mm difference. And the wheelbase is longer than the Honda City. This is 2651 mm and Honda City is 2600 mm. Yeah. So talking about the fuel tank capacity, it's 45 liters. The mileage by airway for the torque converter 1 liter petrol automatic is around 18.07 kilometers per liter, and the 1 liter petrol manual is 19.47, whereas the 1.5 TSI, the automatic is around 18.41 kilometer per liter, and the manual 1.5 manual is 18.72 kilometer per liter. So coming at the rear, you can see the lights. This gets LED lights at the rear, and you get the Skoda badging there. Yeah, so at the rear, as you can see, it has a white stance, and the bumpers are body colored, so those look good. Rear parking sensors and a reverse parking camera as well. So yeah, from the rear it looks good, and in the white color, it definitely catches your eye. Yeah, basically in looks, yeah, they have nailed the looks. Like Rapid was good, but this looks much better. Yeah. So let me open the boot. So this is the key. You get lock, unlock, and you can directly open the boot from the key. So it's like a one-touch open, not one touch close. Yeah. So the boot is 521 liters, and you can extend it up to 1050 liters by folding the rear seats, and you get a space, not a space zone, but a spare tire with a toolkit placed over there, well packaged here, and some space as well. So boot is usable. Only the thing is the loading lip is quite high, so putting in big suitcase would be a problem. But overall, yeah, you can put in, I guess, 4 big suitcases, so it's quite usable here. And boot is light. Yeah, that third, this Skoda third was completely seen. So from at the top, as you can see, you get shark fin engine black colored. So this how long the car is, if you practically see, and it's not in the wide angle one, it's in the regular angle. So if I put a wide angle, yeah, so it will come in the frame, but I had to go way back, like far back. So yeah, car's length is good. So let's just unlock the car. Yeah, so that opening third is also good. So getting in is kind of a problem. Like I'm 6 feet and the car is kind of low, positioned low. But the ground clearance is good. Ground clearance is around 179 mm. So the window area is huge enough, so you won't feel claustrophobic, and you get these blinds as well from Skoda. So you won't feel claustrophobic in long journeys. And the door, you get chrome interior door handle, and the door pockets are large enough, so 1 liter bottle fit easily. So talking about the legroom and kneeroom, I can stretch out my feet. So this is the main reason why it's giving the competition to the Honda City, since it has good legroom and kneeroom here, and the third support is also good, like supportive, and 3 people will be comfortable. The only problem would be the rear AC vents, which will be coming back, and you get 2 USB-Cs as well. So you get twin lights here. Yeah. twin lights, and yeah, those white lights look good. So seeing this, you get a rear armrest with 10 cup holders, and yeah, so you also get a magazine holder with, you can slot in your mobile phone here. One more thing to show is you get a handle and a hook here. So talking about the safety, this car gets 2 airbags, ABS, EBD, traction control, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, and what do we say? Hill hold control only for the automatic variant, not for the manual variant. And you also get electronic differential system, cruise control too. So yeah, this car is safe. But like the top spec gets the 6 airbags. This is an ambition variant over the active variant and below the style variant. So being a mid variant, it gets 2 airbags. But overall, yeah, other features are fine. Like it's they've given like almost all the features are standard except the 6 airbags thing. And yeah, so let's go out. Let me show you the driver's seat. So yeah, the build is like really good. The proper Skoda third is there. Not like before, but still, it's much better than the Taygun and the Kushaq which we have seen. So even at the front, door pockets are large enough so one liter bottle fit easily, and you get power window controls here. Yeah, so this is completely a brand new car, not the car from the company. It's like one of the customers' car. So a big shout out to the customer who have given it to me for the review, so you can see directly which door is open, exactly shows. So the Ambition variant doesn't get the full digital unit, it gets the analog unit. Yeah, so and one more thing, like you also get the intense start stop button here. So this is the new Skoda design language, the 2-spoke steering wheel, and you get the volume controls here, the cruise control system here. Sorry, the cruise control system is here with the wiper controls, the headlight controls, and this is for the to browse to the information display, which isn't much. So if you see here, you get a driver armrest with a lot of space, a lot of stuff kept over here, manual handbrake, cup holders here, and here you can slot in your key, I believe. Yeah, you get a 12-volt charging socket as well. So here, this is the 6-speed gearbox. You get central locking, auto start stop, and you get some space here. So you get the digital AC controls, which look good, and it also has a sensor, so you can slide in to increase it, slide here to decrease it. Yeah. So Glovebox is like large enough, like completely huge, and it's a cool Glovebox. So this is a 10-inch unit with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth connectivity, aux, all of those stuff. And let me show you this. So you get the sun visor here with toll seat holder, and you get a mirror here. You also get twin lights. This car also gets the Isofix child seat mount at the rear for safety, and here you get the sunglass holder. So let me just switch on the car. As you can see here, it will show the Skoda logo when you switch it on. Here too. So going through the system, as I told, it's a 10-inch unit. So yeah, nothing much to show. As you can see, it's given Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation as well. So this is the driving data. So 8 liter, the mileage what it's giving since refuel, since start, long term, and traction control button is here, and you can like increase and decrease the volume from here. Like just press a button and it will happen. So yeah, you can download your apps too from here. That's good. We go into settings, setting your quick settings, screen off, and audio settings, connect, profile, lights, valet mode, system settings, like you have those Bluetooth, phone, audio, display, all of those stuff, car settings, electronic stability control, time and date, tires, units, so media, audio and Bluetooth, apps management, and notifications. So basically, it's slick to use, system is good, but not much info to show. So yeah, let me show you this. So vehicle status, driving data, audio, if you get into vehicle status. So let me just switch on the car. So when you switch on the car, the car is very smooth since the car starts, and the only thing is the vibrations which you can feel. So let me just switch on the air conditioning and feel how the air conditioning works. So let me show you one more thing. So this is the rear camera. The resolution is fine and it doesn't get adaptive guidelines. Yeah, which are not adaptive. So rear camera is fine. Giving a rear camera is good, but overall, yeah, the resolution is decent, like not that great. So yeah, the AC also works good. Like chills the cabin in no time. And here you can see like it's showing the auto start stop is off. So if I switch it on, it will obviously switch on. And you also get the light controls here. Just a second. Here are the light controls. So like the system is so like not much entry is available here, but not much to show here since it's like a small digital unit there, so not much to show. So now let me also show you the lights. And yeah, okay, let the sound come. I know why it's coming. Yeah, so let me just show you the lights there. Yeah, so those are the DRLs. Let me now just open the engine bay. So let's open the engine bay. So engine bay, while opening, it's kind of on the heavier side, but it's fine. So no insulation right there since a 999cc 1 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine with around 115 horsepower and 178 Newton meters of torque. So basically you have two engine options, like one is a 1 litre and second is the 1.5 litre. So the 1.5 litre has a 14984 4-cylinder petrol engine which does around 150 horsepower and 250 Newton meters of torque, which is which leads the segment. Basically it has the most power and torque in the segment. Solely a petrol engine, since the Verna has a diesel and the City has a diesel, still it's the most powerful in the segment. And talking about the 1.5 litre, it also gets a cylinder deactivation technology, which shuts two cylinders when you're driving economically for more fuel efficiency. And the performance difference is like a lot. The manual petrol 1 litre does around like 0 to about 11 seconds, and the torque converter does around 12 to 13 seconds. And the 1.5 TSI does it under 10 seconds, under 9 seconds too. If you like, the manual one automatic does it about 10 seconds. So if anyone is interested to buy this car, in my verdict, it's definitely a great car. Comparing to the City, yeah, space is good. At some places City is good, and some places the Skoda Slavia is good. You also get the ventilated seats function in the top end variant, also a sunroof. So if anyone is interested, you can definitely go for it. And if you have any doubts regarding the car, you can DM on Instagram, comment on YouTube, comment on Instagram. I can help you anytime you want. So thank you so much. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.